Hey, how you doing? This is John Witherspoon, and I'm cooking for poor people. Because when you're hungry, everything tastes good. Like I said before, don't let nobody know what you're drinking, and nobody else's business. It's you and your jelly jar. All right, and we gotta put the onions in there. Yeah. All right. And now I gotta get the bell pepper. See? Yeah. All right. Man, I don't care. I ain't got time to be crying. Put them one time. Look at that. Bang! Hi there, Mr. Witherspoon. Oh, God. Give me a kiss. Hey, chicken is a pastime of American culture. Everybody loves chicken. Black people kill black people. Some black people, when they get around their white friends, try to deny they've had chicken all their life. Chicken, my family, 6 days a week. Oh. Every black person I know their way around a chicken. You get an accent like from a different country. Actually, I don't prefer chicken per se. I prefer fish or lamb. Oh, nigga, please. Chickens are afraid of black people. Afraid. You grab a chicken, hold it to a black person. So that chicken know we're about to wrap some grease around his ass. There we go. Chicken, fried chicken. I love chicken. I don't care who know it. I don't give a damn. If you love chicken, say, yeah, boy. I heard that. Bodyguards for the president got caught in Colombia with them hoes. Ooh, they were fine too. Yeah. And the only reason he got caught, he didn't want to pay the hoe. The hoe said X amount of dollars. He said, I ain't gonna give you nothing. She said, well, that's them beat, that's them booty, son of a beach, you son of a beach. And they got busted. Now they all get fired. You should have paid that money. Hoe gotta eat too. Now watch this, see? Now watch. Mix it up. Oh boy. Pay the hoe the money. Pay the hoe. She's gotta work. All right, got my chicken ready? And you gotta make sure the grease is ready. Now watch this, get you some water. Watch this, now listen to the sound, listen to the sound. Woo! Now you gotta get the chicken. Watch it, gotta hurry up now, you can't be too late with this chicken, see? Watch this, put that chicken in there. Yeah, there you go. Look at them wings. Miss Shirley gonna be happy. Come on up here, I'll show you how to flip this chicken, come on. I ain't got time for it to cool down. Hot piece of chicken. Woo! Listen to that chicken purr like a little kitten. Let it cook on that side. Flip this chicken. Flip this chicken. Flip this chicken. Oh yeah. Got about another 2 minutes. Okay. It's ready. Da 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 da. Da, 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 la, 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 la. See, now you can't drink and eat the same drink with this chicken. Now watch it. Kill this bad boy. Watch this. Dance now with your big old ass. All dance now, girl, with that big old ass. I met LaQuita on the dance floor. How did I know she was a famous Detroit hoe? We even won the dance contest. True. Bounce her booty off against my chest. I said, woo, this girl is, but wow, my kind of woman, my kind of style. We fell in love that night. All right, let me tell y'all something. Free band. Let me tell you something. I know where y'all ain't made no money in the rap world. Y'all ain't shit. We ain't neither one of y'all shit.
You know what? How about we take
No. Okay. I'm eating this bitch myself. How about y'all get the fuck out of here?
We out.
Wait a minute. Hey, this a bitch. Them little motherfuckers come here. And they about my fucking fish. Where my fish go? Hey, fuck y'all. Young, yeah, fuck, I'm still a rapper. I met LaQuita on the dance floor. I didn't know she was a famous Detroit. I'm the best one of all of them. We won the dance contest. But she bounced her booty up against my chest. Woo! Chicken feet? I don't eat chicken feet and rice. I ain't that broke yet. Shoot. Gotta give it to somebody. I hate to throw food away. Oh, wait a minute. The dog. Chicken feet. Chicken feet. I can't believe the dog don't want no chicken feet either. There's some chicken's feet. I ain't gonna eat no chicken feet. Tell these people in cars to pull over and they pull away. And we have to stop and we're seen on television to watch them follow this car down the street. I'm so sick of this. What they need to do is when they catch them, use the Rodney King Act on them. Just grab them like you look at them. Just look at them. Didn't I tell you to stop? You son of a bitch! Stop that damn car! What the hell wrong with you? I'll be right back. Katrina, you see the people floating in the damn. I went down and helped the people out. They had my ass on the roof, 2 stories up, and left me up there. Talking they forgot to took the ladder away. Told me we didn't need the ladder. I'll be right back. And left me up there for about 4 hours on the roof, hollering for people. Hey, help me! Hey, help me! Look at that. That's gonna be good. Flip that bad boy. Now watch this. See, get you some flowers. Flowers in the bag, brown paper bag. You know me and my brown paper bag. Some flowers. Look at that. Put it in there. Make sure the grease is real hot. Make sure the grease is real hot. You throw them in there. Throw them bad boys in there. Woo! It's gonna be good. Pork chops. Thin pork chops. Take those fellas a little bit. Uh-oh. Hold in the bag. Hold in the bag. It's all right. I got nothing to do. Ready to go into the grease. Look at this. Look at this. See? Grab it. Pork chop like this. Watch me. Look at this. Put them pork chops in that grease. Yeah. Oh! You can't see over here. I got the one camera working tonight. The other camera didn't work. It's broken. That's all right. I'll see them do it. Pork chop in the grease. Pork chop in the grease. That's all you need to know. Pork chop going into the grease. And I'm putting it in there. What's the cook talking about? Bam, bam, bam. Ain't no bam, bam, bam. It's bang, bang, bang. What's that big fat punk talking about? Trying to steal my thunder. I know what's going on. Bam, bam, bam. Yeah, I got you bam, bam, bam. When I catch him, I'm gonna whoop his ass on sight. Bam, bam, bam. Watch this now. See, look. Hot sauce on top of the pork chop. And the bread. Put some on the bread too. Now watch me. Put that sucker like that. Look at this. That's what my son told me, Daddy. Cook some pork chop. We love your pork chop. Look at it. I call this pork chops in a rush. Pork chops in a rush. Easy to cook. And nobody tell you can't cook. Cook some pork chop. Hot grease. Granulated garlic. Granulated onion. Seasoning salt. And some pepper. Put the pepper in the paper bag. Put in the hot grease. Bam, bam, boom. Ain't no bam, bam, bam. Bang, 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 bang. I'll see you next time.